Chaturvedi, could you tell us, your magazine has completed 25 years, and how do you feel about it today?
Actually, I feel very proud. And completing 25 years, and that too in construction industry, real estate industry, it's something uh, which is going to take us far away. The coming 25 years, it will be integrated township which will rule because standalone buildings, they are having either school too far or their market too far, but integrated township where complete infrastructure is there, that is going to be the thing. And about 25 years is a fantastic industry, and people, they are hesitant to come out because of governmental regulations.
Uh, Mr. Chaturvedi, for you personally, since you started this paper, this publication, personally, when you look back, how has it been in the sense, how did it really start for you?
Well, actually, accommodation times were started in 1972. 1972, I used to get it printed at Bharat Printers. I used to paste it, write it, and do the paging. And then, after printing, used to carry the load on my shoulder and was selling at Churchgate. Believe me, within 1 hour, all the copies are sold. But then that time was there that we, with the pricing restraint was there, and we were selling some 15 paisa per copy. And then after 6 months, uh, I finished money. But the nagging feeling was there that this is going to run. So in 86, I restarted it, and since then, I have never looked back.
But to begin with, how did that idea come to your mind? How did it occur to you that I should start a paper on the realty sector?
Actually, I was paper way back when I was in Mathura. There also I tried to start one paper, Chunoti. And the industry itself, that fascinated me always. You know that when LIC building was being made at Churchgate, and at that time there was no lifts to carry the cement or anything. I used to stand there morning till evening, how they cast the slab, how they cast the pillar, how they are plastering it, all that. So this industry fascinated me, the process fascinated me, and that is how that uh, when I started, I did my journalism from Bhavans College. At that time, we were to go for 6 months for some training to some newspaper. Uh, I wanted something technical newspaper, so I did my internship in Economics Times. But then uh, I asked my editor to write something on real estate, and he was so hot. That, what are you talking? I said, sir, you are sending me to take the report from LIC or from ACC or from some steel company or some hardware company. They are your news. But the industry which consume them all is not your news. Uh, but this is my interest was there from the beginning, from writing and construction. That's it.
And today, this magazine is like become almost like a Bible to a lot of people who want to know about the realty sector, about accommodation, about whatever is happening, whether it's in this city or elsewhere. So it's like a huge milestone for you. So how do you see it further growing?
I think now, mm, you remember some 10 years back, no national paper was having any column for real estate. Now every paper is having on Sunday edition or Saturday editions, they are having some separate pages on real estate. So in itself it says that real estate is very, very much in our life and it is going to develop. It has progressed fast. We are making world-class buildings and I think that the future is very brilliant.
And a little on the personal note, when you started off, looking back, that time your children must have been small, and your wife must have been like a big support system for you. Could you tell us a little about those moments? They must have been challenging times. There must have been anxious moments. A little about that.
Oh, financial, you don't ask. There's nothing more about to say. But yes, it was a struggle, and yeah, I was sleeping in brass only, and then sometime wife comes to me searching for me that for 2 days my husband is not come, and my children were very small, but uh, she found me sleeping on the bench there. I used to enjoy it. So there is nothing and I have never regretted that why I have taken this publication. And my relatives used to ask my wife that what your husband is doing. She says that he is a journalist. So I mean, oh, like that. But the things are changing. The scenario has changed very much, and peoples are, I mean, uh, looking forward, and now journalists are no more the Jhola type journalists. They are very good people, and they are doing a tremendous job.